precious, my friend. Hey guys, welcome back to Epic Cars, and today I'm going to do a short video. Basically, I got some new wheels for my Raptor, and thanks to my brother-in-law, these were just an extra set of wheels that he had that he wasn't using, so he gave them to me to put on my Raptor because I've been kind of a weird Raptor owner. I've been a staunch supporter of just keeping it completely stock, and I know sounds really weird, but I use the truck for business purposes, for travel back and forth to other states and so forth when I'm driving. And I really liked the comfortable ride. I really liked how safe it felt, and just not having to mess with the warranty issues that if any aftermarket parts affected the warranty. And so I've tinted the windows, I've put a bed cover on it, and I think that's it. That's completely all I've ever done to it. That's kind of counterintuitive to what most Raptor people do, especially my brother-in-law, and you've seen his son's trucks on my channel before. They spend a lot of time and effort fixing them up, which is great, and I'm all for it, don't get me wrong. It's just for my personal uses, I've decided to keep it stock for a significant amount of time. And then, maybe after 4 years or so, I'll fix it up and kind of put some different stuff on it. But begrudgingly, and because he gave me free wheels, I just went ahead and put them on, and really made a big difference in the stance of the vehicle. And I think it's something that I need to share with you guys. Here's a look at the original wheels, and I kind of did a deal where I weighed each wheel because I was just real curious to see how much an aftermarket wheel compared to a stock wheel. So here you go. All right, so I've got the stock wheels off my Raptor and put them on the scale. So I've got them all four lined up here. About the only thing they don't have on them is they do not have the TPS or TPMS sensors on them, and it looks like the weights, the balancing weights are off, but those are just a couple of ounces, so or a few ounces. So 32.5 pounds is what they're measuring in as stock. I went ahead and weighed all of them, and they're almost virtually identical. You've got one of them that said, I think 32.4, but most of them are 32.5 pounds. So here's a close-up look at the actual truck itself with the new wheels. I did not do anything other than just new wheels and new lug nuts because they required them to do on those fuel wheels. But you can tell they stick out a little bit further. They're about 2 inches on each side wider than the actual stock offset wheels. I'll put the measurements and everything down below as far as specs. But whenever we were doing it at the tire store, they put in all the offsets and determined that it's about 2 inches on each side that it sticks out wider than the stock wheels. And so overall, I'm gaining about 4 inches of overall track base or width of my wheelbase. This side you can tell it kind of sticks out a little bit better as far as the sunlight hitting it. So pretty mean, aggressive look, which was what I was going for. And again, no other modifications have been done to this Raptor. Literally, it is completely stock, except I tinted the windows, put a bed cover on it, and that's about it. Other than that, it's just been the wheels at this point, so it's looking pretty good. All right, so that's the results. As you can tell in the video and the pictures, there's about a 2 pound savings per wheel. So the stock wheels are about 2 pounds heavier than the aftermarket wheels. So it saves you, 8 pounds overall, which I guess on unsprung weight, that's pretty good as far as, maybe going down the road and maybe longevity of your tires or something. I don't, who knows. And then secondly, these wheels were -12 offset. And so when we were going through putting them on at the dealership, He actually the guy there actually put in the offsets compared to the stock offset. And showed me on the little screen there that it actually moved each wheel out 2 inches on each side. So I got 4 inches of track width increase on this, and so it's pushed all the wheels back, or the tires in the center of the wheel out 2 inches on each side. So a little bit of rubbing I've noticed on my front, very little, just when I turn at max I hear a little bit of rubbing. But other than that, it's run great. I went ahead and had the tires rotated because I had about 10,000 miles on them. And you're supposed to do that at about 5,000 miles according to the dealer. But I've got about 10,000 miles on the truck and I just hadn't done it yet. So I put those on. They sound great. They work great. I haven't had any issues with them so far. And they do. Okay. I'll give in a little bit and say, Trey, my brother-in-law, they do look pretty cool. So thank you for giving me these wheels. I put them on for you. I'll keep them on for a little while, and maybe I'll do some other improvements a little further or a little sooner than I had planned, but I appreciate your support. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hitting the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you can. Offer any comments, and I love the feedback that you guys are keep giving me. And I promise the next video will be on old bones. I just finally got all my brake parts in, and I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna be announcing the winner of the contest of whether I should put graphics on or I shouldn't put graphics on. That'll be coming out in the next video. So guys, take care, God bless, and have a nice day.